Hello everyone! Are you looking for ways to save money on your taxes? Did you know that there are credits available that can help you reduce your tax burden? With a few simple steps, you can get tax credits that can save you money. In this video, we'll discuss how to get tax credits and the advantages of doing so. We'll also provide helpful tips on how to maximize your savings. So if you're looking for ways to reduce your taxes, read on to learn more about tax credits and how to get them. On this channel, I will discuss how to get tax credits. Stay tuned, and thank you. Overview of tax credits. Tax credits are a type of tax benefit that can help lower the amount of taxes you owe. They are different from deductions in that they offer a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your tax liability, while deductions reduce your taxable income. Tax credits are often used to incentivize certain behaviors, such as purchasing health insurance or donating to charity. Depending on your financial situation, you may qualify for several types of tax credits, including Child and Dependent Care Credit. This credit is for taxpayers who have paid for care for a qualifying individual so that they can work or look for work. Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC. This credit is for low and moderate income taxpayers who have earned income from working, including self-employment. Education credits. These credits are for taxpayers who are paying for college tuition or other higher education expenses. Retirement Savings Contributions Credit. This credit is for taxpayers who make qualifying contributions to an IRA or other retirement plan. Child Tax Credit. This credit is for taxpayers with children under the age of 17 who meet certain requirements. Foreign Tax Credit. This credit is for taxpayers who have paid taxes to a foreign government on foreign source income. Tax credits can be very beneficial when it comes to reducing your tax liability. It's important to understand which credits you may be eligible for and how to properly claim them when filing your taxes. Types of tax credits. Tax credits are an important component of tax planning and can help reduce your overall tax bill. The types of tax credits available depend on the country or jurisdiction in which you live, but some of the most common tax credits include the following. Earned Income Tax Credit. This tax credit is designed to help lower income earners reduce their overall tax burden. It is based on the amount of income earned over the course of the year and can be up to $6,660 for individuals and up to $13,330 for married couples filing jointly. Child Tax Credit. This tax credit is available to parents who are responsible for supporting a child under the age of 17. The amount of credit varies depending on the number of children and other factors. It can range from $500 to $2,000 per qualifying child. Education Tax Credits. This type of tax credit is available to those who are pursuing post-secondary education. Depending on the program and the amount spent, the credit can range from 20% to 40% of tuition costs. Charitable donations. Many countries and jurisdictions offer a tax credit for donations made to charities or other nonprofit organizations. These credits can range from 10% to 50% of the donation amount, depending on the country or jurisdiction. Retirement savings. Many countries and jurisdictions offer tax credits for contributions made to retirement savings accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks. These credits can range from 10% to 50%, depending on the country or jurisdiction. How to get tax credits. Tax credits are a great way to reduce your tax bill and increase your financial savings. There are many types of tax credits available, from earned income tax credits to education credits. Knowing how to get tax credits is essential for anyone who wants to lower their taxes and maximize their financial savings. To get tax credits, you will need to complete the appropriate forms and documents for the type of credit you are eligible for. Depending on the type of credit, you may have to provide documentation such as income statements, receipts, or other records. To determine which credits you are eligible for and what documentation you will need, you should consult a qualified tax professional. It is also important to note that some tax credits have income limits and other restrictions attached. For example, if you earn too much money, you may not qualify for certain types of credits. Additionally, some credits have an expiration date and must be claimed by a certain time in order to receive the benefits. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents and filled out the forms correctly, you should submit them to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. If everything is filled out correctly and the IRS approves your claim, you will receive a notification of your credit. The amount of your credit will depend on the type of credit you qualify for and other factors. Getting tax credits can be a complicated process, but it can also be extremely beneficial. Taking the time to understand which credits you are eligible for and how to claim them can save you a lot of money on your taxes. It is always a good idea to consult a tax professional to figure out how to get tax credits. They will be able to answer any questions you may have and ensure that your claims are accurate. Additionally, they can also provide advice on additional ways to maximize your savings through deductions and other strategies. Furthermore, they can help keep track of changes to the tax laws so you don't miss out on any potential credits. The most common tax credits include those related to higher education expenses, retirement contributions, child care costs, electric vehicle ownership, home improvements, charitable donations, energy efficiency improvements, and health insurance premiums. Researching each type of credit can help you decide which ones you would like to pursue. In addition to researching each credit individually, there are several online resources available where you can learn more about them. Websites such as the IRS website offer information about different types of credits and helpful calculators that let you know if you qualify for any particular credits. Finally, consulting a tax professional or accountant is often the best way to make sure you're getting all the tax credits you're entitled to. Thanks for watching. For more views and updates about how to get tax credits, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned. Thank you.